Welcome to Web Handling. My name is Dave Royson. I am super excited to begin a new series called Top 10 Secrets of Web Handling. Here, I will share my top 10 tips and tricks on how to improve your web machines, products, and processes. In this first show, I share why I am doing this and what you can expect in subsequent shows. I know your time is precious, so let's get started. Very early in my career, I gave a paper entitled The 10 Commandments of Web Machine Design. It was given at several venues, including the Third International Conference on Web Handling, put on by the Web Handling Research Center at Oklahoma State University. You can find this paper as well as every paper and thesis ever published by the Web Handling Research Center for free at the link below. Dr. Carl Reed, the founder's director and my former boss, quipped, "So now you think you're Moses?" Certainly that was a very pretentious title, but no more so than many of the professors whose paper titles would not fit on a single line of text and where many of the technical words would not be known to the average web handler. Yet, I feel somewhat vindicated because the very next year I published my second book entitled The Mechanics of Rollers, where the chapters in the book corresponded to those 10 commandments. Remarkably, this book is still in publication, nearly 30 years later. Similarly, there is a one-for-one correspondence of those commandments to a Module 4 in my award-winning and trademark Web 101 class that has been taken by 5,000 students. Much has happened since. I have been to more than 1,000 plants, conferences, trade shows, and the like. I learned from working with thousands upon thousands of people, just like you, who struggle with and often overcame serious waste, delay, or customer complaint issues related to web handling. I am inspired by the words of K. Redfield Jameson, who said that knowledge is marvelous, but wisdom is even better. This, however, may be a false dichotomy. Instead, this series I will strive to share both knowledge of 1,000 web handlers and the wisdom that comes from a professional lifetime dedicated to a subject. So much has happened since that it is time to add the other bookend to my 45 years of web handling. This time, it is the 10 secrets instead of 10 commandments. The subject is still the same, web handling, but the treatment is far different. The old 10 commandments conference paper was on prevention. This new 10 secrets is about troubleshooting, a topic that I have enough experience to write 2 books as well as to teach it as a 2-day short course. So, what can you expect from this new series? It will obviously include a lack of flatness, such as wrinkling, which is undoubtedly the single most costly waste, delay, and complaint issue in our collective web industries. It will also include winding, for similar reasons. However, we must begin with our customer, and we must end with must-know resources to help speed up this remedy process instead of learning the hard way. Stay tuned for next week's show, where we will begin at the very end of the process, at your customer. If you have a topic you would like to hear about, let me know in the comment section below. If you found any of these stories to be interesting or useful, please like and share and subscribe. See you next time.